new creek I checked out yesterday, so I know there's at least fish in it, and the largest creek chub I've ever seen. But I'm gonna get set up and we'll get started. Well, that's what I get for trying to go backwards. There was a fish in this hole. It already saw me, though. It saw me and took off upstream. Alright, well, moving on. I don't actually know how deep any of this is, and like a genius, I forgot my sunglasses, so I can't see in the water. Oh yeah, like 2 inches. Okay. Alright, immediately hung on a rock. Good, good. It's just what I wanted to do, was walk up to this nice looking spot. Not sneak up to it, catch a fish in it, just walk. Maybe anything on the other side of this log hasn't seen me. I doubt it. But one way to find out. Bunch of little fish just swam by. Don't expect a whole lot out of here, but it looked like a fun place. So that's why I'm here. Not going to waste my time anywhere if I don't get bites. That's one thing I've been doing lately that I need to stop. I keep wasting time. I'll say, oh, this looks like a good hole. Cast into it 50 times, and nothing comes out of it. Excellent cast. I don't know that any of these fish were actually big enough to take my fly. Oh, that one was, for sure. Moving on. I doubt you can see this, but right up in front of me, you may just be able to see red. There is a ton of little red minnows. I keep wanting to try and catch one of those, but you know, they have such tiny mouths. Yeah, everything is seeing me way before I get to it. Outrageous number of little red minnows. Why are you red? They're trying to climb the stream in front of me. You guys are going the wrong way. Maybe I need to hunker down a little, but it makes my legs hurt. Alright. Deal with that in a minute. Creek chub. There had to be at least one in here. Ooh, slimy, slimy chub. 4.5, 5 inches. That's not good. Chub number 2. Let's look for one more hole. Oh yeah, it's just a bunch of little guys there. That looks like it could hold a fish. I already see a fish. Probably saw me. Let's find out. Well, they don't seem to be too nervous. Got another creek chub on a beetle. Holy cow, he ate that thing. Do a couple more casts here. Or not. Man, I want to try on the other side of this. Oh goodness, there we go. And a creek chub, I would have never in my life imagined that I would get a fish this size. Wow. The next time I come back here, I know. Go above the road. Alright. Back we go. Assuming I can walk. Oh yeah. Obviously I'm calling it a day as I am now driving out of the woods. Yeah, I caught some fish. So I don't really ever have a target species. I just go for fish because it's fun. So, yeah, thanks for joining me. I guess you'll see me on the next one.